Welcome to BA Blocks, the show for the motivated business analyst who's driven to sharpen their BA skills no matter where they are or what they're doing. Whether you're driving to the office, waiting for your flight, going for a jog, or doing simple chores in the comfort of your own home, this show lets you listen to the actual lessons from the BA Blocks program, driving you to improve your BA career no matter where you are or what you're doing. Visit learn.ba to enroll in the BA Blocks program and get the full, immersive video learning experience of the lessons that you listen to on this show. Improve yourself on a daily basis, and you will become an invaluable and high-performing member of your organization. Visit learn.ba today to pick up the knowledge and direction you need to help you get there. That's learn.ba.
Are all business analysts the same? The short answer for that question is no. And the reason that all business analysts are not the same is because there are typically two questions that all business analysts wrestle with throughout the life of their career. Question number one is, how specialized do you want to be in your BA career? And so this is a question that you will mull over, and you'll eventually come at some conclusion for your own career about how specialized you want to be in a certain area. And what specialization actually means, we'll talk about a lot more in a subsequent lesson. The second question that you will have to answer for your career is how technical do you actually want to be? And so if we put these two questions against the X and Y axes, we get a plane here. And depending on where you choose to be on this plane for your career is going to determine what kind of a business analyst you're actually going to be. As an example, we're going to look at three different business analysts who are looking to start their business analysis careers. And so the very first question that all of these business analysts are going to try to answer for their careers, and typically what you'll do for your own career is that you'll start your career and you'll explore the different areas of this plane. So you might choose to start looking at some areas of the business, and so you're a lot less technical, or you might choose to move over a little bit farther on the technical side here. But the point here is that over time, once you've started your career, what you're going to do is you're eventually going to decide how technical you want your career to be. Where is your aptitude? Are you more of a technical person who likes to tinker with machines, or are you more of a people person who likes to work a lot more with the business end of the company? And so once you've settled somewhere along this plane with respect to the question of how technical you want to be, at the same time, what you're doing is you're trying to determine your level of specialization. And so in the example that we have here, for example, we have Min Yi, who we would refer to as a BPA. And the reason why we would refer to her as a BPA, a business process analyst, is because she has chosen to be a lot more on the business side and possibly spend some of her learning time trying to specialize in some domain. For our BSA Dorian here, Dorian has chosen much more of a technical role, but he has decided for the first part of his career possibly to not heavily specialize in any one software system or any one solid technical set of skills. And so he's a little bit more of a generalist BSA. Amit, on the other hand, has now gone up to the BA role and possibly shifted around somewhere along their careers. All three of them are shifting around here as they're trying to figure out what the right role for them is. And Amit has now landed in what we typically refer to as the generalist BA role. And what the generalist typically does is they don't focus too heavily on the technical side, but they know enough. And they don't spend too much time on any one domain, but they know enough to be able to do the work that they're given. And the reason why the generalist BA does this is because they want to remain flexible. And so there is a need for generalist BAs, for business process analysts, and also for business systems analysts within the market of business analysis jobs that are out there. What you have to do for your own career is, over time, when you're working as a business analyst, you have to basically start to consider these two major questions for your own career. How technical do you want to be? What is your aptitude when it comes to technical work? How much do you actually like doing technical work? And that will help you decide which area of this technical plane you want to be on. And depending on market conditions and depending on a whole host of other factors that you're going to experience, you're going to decide how specialized you want to be. And so just going back to the Min Yi example, who's a business process analyst, she may be working for an insurance company and has decided for her career that she wants to work for insurance companies all of her life. And so finally, where she has landed with her career decision is that she wants to be a business process analyst. She wants to be a lot more on the business side, but she wants to become very highly knowledgeable of the insurance domain. And so this should give you a very clear idea of some of the long-term career decisions that you're going to have to make. And you should walk away from this lesson knowing that not all business analysts are the same. The two major factors are how technical and how specialized.